Hello, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see from the title, today we're making quesadilla. Look at that cheesy goodness. Manto hasamanena recipe lo yaqano quesadilla. Quesadilla, if I'm not wrong, is a type of Mexican Spanish dish. Anyway, it's one of my favorite snacks. What we're going to start with now is a tablespoon of oil or a drop of oil. You don't even need oil. If you've got a non-stick pan, you don't have to use oil, but I just decided to use just a little bit. And then one chicken breast, I've sliced that into pieces. This recipe, by the way, makes 2 pairs of quesadillas. So if you want to make more, then you're going to have to add in, just double the recipe. And then just a quarter sliced onion. Just saute that for 30 seconds and then just add in your chicken. You can pre-season your chicken or you can just season it on the pan. You guys, this recipe is so easy and so quick to make. Make sure that your heat is medium and then add 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika or any spice of your choice. And then I love cajun, so I've added just 1 teaspoon of cajun. You can add any other spices of your choice. And then just add in a little bit of salt, or you can add chicken stock instead of the salt. And yeah, don't add in 1 tablespoon or else it's going to be too salty. And then I've added 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. You can add in water if you don't have lemon juice with you, it's fine. And then cook this on medium-low heat. Just stir fry the chicken until it's cooked thoroughly. Coat the seasoning all over the chicken. And yeah, this is similar to fajitas, but it's not, but it's similar. And beforehand, I've chopped up some spring onions, some coriander, and some I've forgotten what I was going to say, guys. And some bell peppers. There we are. And then just add in your bell peppers and then the rest of your spices. Honestly, the entire cooking took 10 minutes, but because I was recording, everything took 15 minutes. But yeah, it's super easy, amazing for iftar or a midnight snack or maybe suhoor, but it won't be long lasting for the day after. But this is really, really perfect for lunch or dinner. And then at this point you can add whatever you want, but if you want to follow this recipe, then honestly it's the fastest. And then I've added sweet corn. I love sweet corn on anything, honestly. And then I've added half a cup of sweet corn. You don't really have to measure it, but it depends on your taste and how much you want. And then that's cooked. Look at how perfectly cooked and juicy that is. And then now I have my pre-made tortilla wraps. You can just get this from any shop you want. I think it's available everywhere. And then just place it onto a pan that's already preheated and just toast that onto medium heat. Make sure the heat is very low, because when you add in your filling, and I've also used cheese and you want your cheese to melt, you're going to burn your tortilla if the heat is high, and you don't want that. And then the filling will be cold, which is not nice. So if you cook onto medium-low heat, then you're going to have overall cooked, basically, quesadilla. I don't know why I'm starving today, but oh well. And then just add in any cheese of your choice. I love mozzarella. I didn't want to add in cheddar because I thought it was going to be too tangy, and I didn't want that tanginess. And then toast each side for 2 minutes each. Keep checking every now and then. And then when the cheese is melted, it's really easy to flip over. But when the cheese is not melted and you try to flip over, sometimes it just literally comes out and pours everywhere, and you don't want that. And then now, just as you can see, I'm going to have to flip it. I didn't mess it up. There we go. And then just toast out and cook that for 2 minutes. And yeah, they're so easy to make, honestly. Or you can use homemade wraps as well. I'm going to make a new recipe for that. Stay tuned. And then look, it's perfectly ready. You can literally add any filling of your choice. Some people add eggs. You can make a veggie version of this. If you guys want me to make a veggie version of a quesadilla, let me know in the comments down below. This part was so disappointing, you guys. I thought the cheese strings were literally gonna pull apart, but it didn't. It was really sad. But anyway, there was a lot of cheese inside when I was having this. And look at that delicious goodness. That was so easy to make. Oh, that looks so good. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Honestly, this took 15 minutes. Make sure you tag me on Instagram if you do make this recipe. And don't forget to follow me on all my socials. And I will see you all soon. Thank you and bye-bye.